Welcome to the channel here at Lucky Loon Outdoors. I'm John. I'm going to talk to you about this Recover Tactical charging handle made specifically for the Glock in this instance. I'm going to go over what it is, the components, assembly, kind of my thoughts on it, probably a couple other things. So let's get started here. So what is this? What is this thing here? So essentially it gives you one of two options. Either like a flare for the slide here, or kind of simulating having an optic on your slide. That allows you to rack the slide a little bit easier. Now it's got the two components. These are two upper components here, one or the other, and this is the lower component, which is what holds which one you choose to use on the slide. So how it essentially locks on here is you can see the two nuts, the two screws right here, and the Allen wrench. That's what comes with it. And basically what's going to happen is that's going to sandwich these pieces together, whether you're using this guy here or using this guy here. And how that works here is you can see the serrations on the slide here, on the rear of the slide. These pieces here have grooves cut into them so that they go into those serrations. So it helps lock it in, keep it from sliding around. And then it bottoms out the way it's designed here so that it essentially bottoms out on the slide itself, so it can't go too far this way or too far that way. So why don't we put it together? So I don't really like this one very much, so we're going to ignore that guy. Let's do this guy. Alright, so first challenge here is you just got to line it up with the slide. It's going to stick down just a little bit past. There we go. Pop right into place. See that? Right on those grooves. Alright, let's grab our lower component here. This guy here, you can see it's notched. That's also going to slide onto the grooves on the slide. Just like so. Pretty straightforward. Now, the fun part, I'm going to get that out of my way. We got these little nuts, and I've got fat fingers, so this is always really fun to do. Now you see it captures the nut on the little charging handle guy here. So you just gotta get it in there to start with, which is kind of a pain in the butt, but I believe in you. That one's in there. I'll just get this guy started so I don't lose the nut. Okay, it's pretty much already in there all the way. That's one. Here's our other one here. Stick that little guy in there. Come on, little guy. There we go. And it's always I do appreciate it's not super complicated. It's just a little finicky sometimes, is it? Come on, get in there. Of course, when you're doing it on camera is when it wants to take something that should go really simply and make it more complicated than it needs to be. There we go. Now she's going. Alright. So, just going to bottom that out there. Torque it down. It does not come with Loctite or anything like that. If you want to Loctite it in, you'll need to bring your own, but I don't really foresee it being an issue anyway. Alright, that's it. It's assembled. And that's the one that I prefer right there. Now I do not believe this will work if you have a plate on here. It's possible to work if there's a plate. You have to look at their website. But it's meant for the Glock manufactured slides. And in my opinion, it works pretty good if you're running a pistol without an optic. Yeah, let's get into some more detail here. All right, let's give you a little closer look at it here. And of course, this is the plate I prefer of the two. This is kind of simulating having an optic on there. All right, let's take a closer peek here. As you can see, it does protect the rear sight. You can still utilize your sights while looking through it. It's the construction I have zero concerns about. Since I've had this thing on here, I've had no issues, no concerns. It's been really easy to use. And again, I like this one. I do not really like this one here. I don't think that the amount of extra grip it gives you is really worth it. But this one, if you're looking for something like this, I think it's a pretty good option. And it's a good training tool too. So when you do get a pistol that has an optic on it, this is a good, like if you're training with this, it's going to be second nature when you go to rack it with if you have an optic on, if that's the method you prefer. So who is this for? So I would say this is for somebody who has a pistol without optics who wants to train. I would also say this is for somebody who just wants to train and wants an easier method of racking the pistol. And lastly, and most importantly to me, I would see this being most marketable to somebody that has weak wrists. Maybe you're a little bit older. Maybe you're just sick of, dealing with having a hard time pulling the slide back. You just want to make things a little bit easier so you can have more fun on the range. I see that as the primary customer on this, to be honest. So that's kind of how I'm seeing that. And then my thoughts on it, again, I don't really have a need for it yet. Maybe in a couple of years, if my wrists continue to get worse, I will be looking to see even more. But again, I've had no problems. I have no complaints. And really, if you're looking at this, you know whether or not you're going to want it. And at least I can tell you that I don't think you're going to be disappointed if this is something you're looking for whatever reason you might have. It does exactly what they say it does. I don't see any issues in purchasing it, to be honest. So, yeah, if you have any questions about it, shoot me a message down in the comments. If you want to see more, again, let me know. I'm going to be inside because it's about 0 degrees outside, so I might get a little bored here, folks. But yeah, take care, have fun, stay safe out there.